Bantu knots in 1 minute. Let's go. I'm going to start with a triangle part on the very top and center of my head. I'm going to use a little edge control and then secure it with a rubber band. Now I'm just going to part all the way across, giving me 2 more triangle parts on each side. My next section will be 3 more triangle parts and then 2 square parts at the bottom, giving me 8 sections. Now I'm just going to take some Cuban twist hair and cut it in half and then pull it through underneath the rubber band. And then I'm just going to twist it all the way down and wrap it around itself and tuck the ends under to give me that Bantu knot. Now I'm going to do the same exact thing for each of the other sections. Just make sure you're not twisting too tight, because you will feel that about 30 minutes later. And there you have it. Nice summertime look, but you know I can't just leave it like that. I have to add a little excitement. I'm going to do 2 braids on each side with some beads, and there you go.